Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi A1. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Now enter it. And from this app you've got access to all of your downloads, documents, audio, videos, images and recents. Also, you can enter your internal storage and Google Drive as well. In settings you can create new window, new folder, change sort option, select all, get info and show hidden files. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.